Hi everyone, Captain Mark here. I got a new security camera for you. Wireless, battery, and solar powered. Great PIR motion activated, 1080p crisp, clear video. Great price, good quality. So let's get to the review and the open boxing. Hi everyone, today I got a new camera, pretty excited about this, by Reolink. It is the Reolink Argus 3 security camera. So a lot of nice features of this, 1080p, so let's open up the box and see what comes inside. And Reolink always has a nice presentation when you open up the box, and here you can see their motto is "Be prepared, be Reolink." And as we open up the envelope, we see we have the operational instruction manual. You can see it's very complete, very thorough with the information on their manuals. And next we have your Reolink sticker, the 24-hour sticker you put on your windows. I like that. And next we have our templates. We have two of them for our two mounting brackets. Next we have our adjustable strap for attaching it to trees or poles if you don't want to use the two mounting brackets. And here we have our charging cable, which is USB to USB micro. And here we have our mounting hardware along with our quick attachment tabs that work for each one of the mounting brackets. And you have another set of anchoring hardware in case you don't want to use a quick release tab, you just want to make it permanently mounted. All right, taking a look at our first mounting bracket. It's unique. It has a 1/4-20 with a magnetic ball on there, so easy adjustment. And on the back you can see it is your quick connect on there to release it. And our second mounting bracket is the typical one that comes with it. It is the adjustable swivel head on it with a 1/4-20 screw to mount in there, and then you just tighten it down on the base. And last but not least is the camera itself, what we've been waiting to look at. And you can see it's a very sharp looking camera. Nice quality built as usual with Reolink cameras. You look at the back, you see there's your 1/4-20 mounting bracket and your slots for your speaker sound. I'm going to open the tab on the back, and that's our charging input for the charger, and also if you want to use a solar panel with this camera. All right, and let's take a look at the bottom of the camera. You can see we have a silicone tab on there. We're going to pull it loose, see what's underneath here. And the first thing we see was the micro USB slot, and we have the on-off button, and you also have the reset switch underneath this tab. All right, I want to give you some measurements, show you how compact and powerful this little camera is. So it is 3.5 inches deep by 4 3/4 inch tall. All right, I'll give you some measurements on the camera. Now I'm going to give you the weight on the camera here and put it on the scale, and you can see that it's 11.3 ounces. And I want to show you how quickly and easy it is to mount these mounting brackets onto your camera. What's unique about this first one is it's magnetic, and you can see how it claps right to the magnetic ball on there, and you can adjust it in many different positions. And it quickly screws right into the 1/4-20 on the back of the camera. And it's the same procedure for installing the second type of mounting bracket. You simply screw the 1/4-20 into the 1/4-20 slot in the back of the camera and rotate it, and then you can unscrew the base to make the swivel ball move around all you want, like you can see on the camera. Nice mounts with a quick release in the back. Can't beat it. All right. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to hook up the internet to your camera and get it ready to put it outside. And the first thing you want to do is download the Reolink app, and then you want to click up at the top right to add a camera. Then you look for the barcode on the back of the camera to give it some kind of identification which camera it is. And it'll ask you if you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And the first thing you want to do is open the tab on the bottom, turn the camera on, of course. You can see I don't have the SD card in this yet, but we'll put it in before I take it outside. All right, looking at the app, it wants to know if you've heard the ding sound, which we have, so we'll confirm that. So you hit next, and it wants you to enter in your Wi-Fi and password. All right, next you want to set up for you to read your QR code off your phone for the camera. Now, I like to place the phone on the table or hard surface and actually move the camera up and down until it finds and reads the code. A lot easier.
Camera is connecting to your router.
All right, hit the next button, and again, it's linking it to your Wi-Fi. We're almost done. You create a password to log in. Once you get that set up, the last part is to name your device. I called this the Argus 3. You let the software finish initializing the camera and connecting to the Wi-Fi, and there you go. It's all set. Simply scroll down till you see your camera in the picture. Click on it, and it opens it up. As you see here, we are now connected to the camera through the Wi-Fi, and it looks great. Good image, quality picture. All right, and I want to show you some fine features on this camera, and we'll get into the app in detail here a little bit before we take it outside. Let's get started viewing the app here, and I'll show you some of the nice features comes with it. I want to show you how well this thing zooms in. Take your finger, move it around anywhere on the screen you can see here, and pinch your fingers together or pinch them apart, and it zooms in and zooms out. Really nice. Clicking on the light button, it brightens up the whole area in front of you. You can hit the trigger of the alarm button, and it turns it on anytime you want. And you have a button to click for a multiple viewing screen. A very nice feature. You can pause your video feed, and you have the option to listen to the sound going on around the camera. You take a still shot of your video feed. And clicking this button, you record video. You can adjust your video quality, high, medium, and low. You can change your screen view to wide angle, horizontal view. Here you have the option for voice activation. Clip view is a brand new option that allows you to click on any area on the screen you want to view. Last but not least is the video playback, but you must have an SD card in the camera to use it. Alright, I wanted to give you a little bit of an example of the night vision on this. Crystal clear, almost like daylight. You can see here as I'm zooming in and out, moving all around on the camera. And here you have the options of turning on the light at night, and it puts it into color mode. Very nice. Crystal clear and bright, vibrant colors. This is a really nice camera. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the review on the Argus 3 Spotlight Security Camera, wireless outdoor, battery or solar powered, PIR, motion activated video record. It has 1080p night vision, two-way talk, and built-in siren for home surveillance system. This camera is integrated with two 6500 spotlights with that built-in siren. With the Starlight 1080p night vision and the 2 megapixel Starlight CMOS sensor leaves it crisp video recording and live streams up to 33 feet away. With the illuminating color night vision, it helps identify more details from intruders. It has a smart motion and control. The PIR motion sensor dramatically reduces false alarms caused by fluttering moths or flying twigs. It's Alexa and Google compatible for your smart security systems. You can purchase this on Amazon for $109.99, and I'll leave that link down below for quick access. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this Argus 3 security camera, then why don't you give me the thumbs up, because it really helps my channel grow. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget that bell to the right, because that lets you know when all my new videos are coming out and you don't want to miss any. So this is Captain Mark saying to you, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.